What's going on, fam? It's your boy Al. Y'all tuned back on with them Jennings boys, man, and we back with another video for y'all. Make sure y'all stop what y'all doing, hit that subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, like this video, man. We're gonna keep running these numbers on up, man. We just pulled up to the gas station here. We getting ready to slide to this little car event. Y'all can see we in the black tent, black mask. We in that red eye. Y'all see what's going on. Got this dude, and we waiting on bro to pull up in the blue Hellcat. And then we gonna shoot up here. It's cold. It's cold as hell out here. We trying to get this, trying to keep getting y'all this content, man, while we can, for this snow hit the ground. Fresh off the trip from the classic, man. We had a ball. We had a ball in the classic, man. I can't wait till next year. I'm definitely might think about bringing all the whips next year, but we gonna see. She's still cleaned up. Shit, we can pull off to the side, bro. Don't need to get gas, do we?
I don't know.
We can pull off to the side somewhere. All these motherfucking cars pulling in and out of here. And then there's supposed to be a little slide event too. Private slide event if you want to go to that.
We're gonna tap in with that for
They
sure.
said at 9 o'clock. They all meet at where we going now.
Oh, yeah,
They just called me when I was on my way up here.
Oh, yeah, we doing that.
And they said it ain't gonna be a lot of spectators or nothing. They said it's private. We only try to bring just a few people so it don't get shut down. So we're gonna pull up to that too. We definitely not gonna slide the red. We might slide the red. I don't know. What you think?
Just a little, maybe a little.
Maybe a little bit. She sound good though. She been sitting on ice. Like I told y'all before, make sure y'all stop what y'all doing with that subscribe button. Hit that post notification bell, man. And like this video, man. Y'all slacking on the likes, man. Like the video, run the likes up so we get on that algorithm. So our video is popping up on the recommended, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, other than that, man, stay tuned. We're ready to hit this highway and see what's going on out here. There go bro right there pulling up. Bro right there pulling up. Shit, we getting ready to get outside with it. Sound good. It should sound good too. I know he need gas. I already know you need gas driving this.
Hell yeah.
What's going on?
Let's get with it. Yeah. So what type of work do you do?
Anytime you drive this, you need gas. Shit.
Construction. What type of work do you do for this?
Construction too. Truck and construction, you know, same thing.
Now I need to get construction, get one of these.
Yeah.
Construction, get you a cat. I'm in the wrong line of business.
They got the red guts in there too. Bloody in there. So we getting ready to get outside, y'all. Make sure y'all stay tuned. It's a little bit of light in here, y'all. It's still dark as hell though. It's a nice little bit of people out here too. We're gonna be going to the little slide shit next. Bam, bam. The light ain't that bad, is it?
Nah, not at all.
We gonna see y'all.
How much you pushed it out there?
You got this big ass amp in here. Big ass amp. I said, where the speakers at? In the back seat? He got it in the back seat. I'm scared. Stand my ass Scared the fuck out of them. This motherfucker clean off. Clean off. Oh, body shit clean. For the last 10 or like 9 to 10 years.
I say coupe come spaceship. They know I ain't changing. And coupe come spaceship. They know I ain't changing. Coupe come spaceship. They know I ain't changing. Coupe come spaceship. They know I ain't changing. Millions on my mind is what I'm thinking. All type ways to get the cheese, but just give yourself a reason. I'm a beast up in the field when it come into my season. Hellcat warrior for real, I can't tame it on no weekends.
Hit the gas, so damn fast, man, it got the engine breathing. Kid cut it day and night, that money I be feeling. Get into that money, man, it's feeling like a sequence. Turn my dreams into reality, got sick and tired of dreaming. Can't play me like no lame, baby, what the fuck you thinking? Pull up in that coupe, I fuck around and drop the ceiling. Hop up in my bag, I ain't never in my feelings. You want ride, you want slime, we was deep down in them trenches. So don't you come around, now the niggas started winning. I'm rocking with my brothers from the start until the finish. The way I pour that drink, it got me feeling like a chemist. The way I'm in her mouth, it got me feeling like the dentist.